look at renewable energy today. And renewable energy is a resource that is either always available or is naturally replaced or is naturally replaced in a relatively short amount of time. So it doesn't take millions and millions of years for these renewable energies to be replenished. And so we'll talk more about these different types of renewable energies like solar energy. So we know that's for the sun. Then we have wind, geothermal. So we'll talk about that, the ground, and then hydro. What do you think of when you think of hydro? You should think of water. So H2O, right? That's water. So we'll talk about solar, wind, geothermal, and hydro electricities as renewable energies this week. So today we'll talk more about solar and wind energy. And what is solar energy? And this should be a no-brainer for you. You probably know this already, that solar energy is the energy we acquire from the sun. And we use photovoltaic cells as to make up solar panels. And you need to know kind of how they work. And we'll watch a video on how they work, how they put those together after our session today, recorded session, and Mr. Hawkins will play that for you. So that way you can have a visual on how those all go together. Okay, so this is how those photovoltaic cells work. Okay, so these are man-made cells. So they make them, we make them ourselves, they're man-made, and they're made from semiconductors, which are materials that are able to absorb the light energy from the sun. So they're which are materials that are able to absorb light energy. So it's made out of silicone that absorbs the sun's energy it knocks electrons free and it channels the flow of energy all in the same direction. Now the top and the bottom of the silicon has metal contacts. And this is where that solar energy is extracted and stored. So taken out of that cell and stored like electrical energy because they've had an energy transformation from solar energy to electrical energy. So I'll let you catch up on that. Okay, and if you need any more time, Mr. Hawkins can pause this. So why don't you show them on your hand right now if how much time you need to copy this down. So give him a fist if you're ready to go, one finger up if you have 1 minute left, up to if you need 5 minutes left. Probably nobody would need 5 minutes, but show them with your hands, only with your hands, not with your mouth, how much time you need. So 0 to 5. Okay, so solar energy is also clean and renewable. So we talked about renewable, is that it's replenishing itself in plenty of time, and we know that it's clean, it's not producing any kind of pollution as it's being produced, like it would, like you would if you had fossil fuels being produced.